Everyone, this is Mandar from Copper, and I am going to talk about what is financial planning. So, let's get started with this course on financial planning. Well, financial planning is the process of planning your finances, right? And tell me about it. I have not started with financial planning till I would say the age of 35, right? So, I had delayed it quite a bit and then I started quite late. So if you're 20, 25 and you're having a look at this video, then the time to start with your financial planning or process of planning your finances is right now, right? It's basically an activity where you learn how to manage your money so that you can reach your financial goals. Now, we'll talk about what financial goals are in a subsequent video to come, right? But just to give you an example, financial goals can be something like planning for retirement, getting a side income, right? Planning for your kids education, right? Taking a international vacation, right? Buying a car, buying a house, all of these can be financial goals, right? So you need to have a step by step guide that helps you to manage your money so that all your financial goals and all of your financial requirements are actually fulfilled, right? Let's look at the process. First and foremost, when it comes to financial planning, is you write down your financial goals, right? So whether you write it down in an Excel sheet or on a piece of paper, uh, write down what all you want to achieve. Put a timeline against each goal, right? Put a deadline that I want to take an international vacation maybe 3 years down the line. I want to buy a car maybe 5 years down the line. I need to get a house maybe 10 years down the line, right? I need to send my kids for higher education abroad maybe 20 years down the line, right? So write down your financial goals. And second, look at your current financial situation, right? And jot down the disposable income that you have after you've your basic expenses are met, right? So you will have, let's say, 50,000 salary, 25,000 month on month expenses. So you have a disposable income of 25,000, right, which you can invest, right? So this disposable income is then allocated to different investment avenues, right? So you can allocate it towards various financial goals. Let's say, you put in 5,000 rupees towards retirement planning, you put in 5,000 rupees towards your vacation, you put in maybe 3,000 rupees towards buying a car, right? So you can divide your disposable income and put it up against different financial goals that you want to achieve, right? And use a relevant financial instruments such as mutual funds, stocks, debt, government bonds, etc., depending on the horizon of investment that you want or have in mind, right? Plan for your finances, allocate your income after you've met with your basic expenses, right? So first take care of your basic expenses and then look at how can you make your disposable income work for you much better, right? So there are different investment avenues like we have spoken about, and we'll in subsequent courses on subsequent chapters we will be talking about each and every one of these investment avenues, right? So make sure you choose the right investment avenue. So again, just to cite a personal example, earlier I thought I could do this all by myself, but then I went out and reached out to a financial planner and made sure that all of my uh, future financial goals were well defined and all the financial products were suited according to these goals that I have in mind, right? So just to summarize, financial planning is the process of planning your finances after your expenses are met on a month on month basis and you have some disposable income. That disposable income gets allocated towards your financial goals and you use different financial instruments to achieve the financial goals that you have, right? So please comment on this video and let us know if you have started with financial planning, and if you have not, also let us know why not. For more such videos on financial planning, please do visit Copper Academy. Have a good day.